everyone. My name is Tung. I'm from Group 13, and today I'll be the first presenter for our report for assignment 2, Backend Development for Interactive Front-End Design. So in order to start, we need to register an account so that we can access the page feature. Every user data will be stored in our database, so let's go into the login button right here. We will create our, our account. Register here. All right, we're done. So let's go to login. Okay, login is successful. So let's go to our database to check. The user data is stored here in the authentication table. Now let's get back to our page. So now, as you may have noticed, the connect wallet button is now here. It wasn't there before. We do this to ensure security by restricting access to unauthenticated users. So in the future, we intend to add the forget password button. It will send you a keyword to your email in order to recover it. Now, Quốc Khánh will be presenting his part.
Okay, thank you, Dwayne. Now, my name is Khánh, and I'll be the second presenter of Group 13. And I will tell you about the create button here at our website. As you can see, there's a create button next to our logo Cosmo Mint. Let's go there. Here you will find an interface that allows users to create collection. That you can see there's a collection name and there's a description under it. So you can create a name and let's create a name for us. Let's call it Doodles. And we should write the description with information that can be recognized, easy to recognize. Yeah. Now we can see here. You can see a selection of NFTs, and it has the names, also displaying in the images the prices and the volume, and we are implementing currently a kind of grid box, but in the future we will plan to do a slider so we can implement more NFTs to make it look better. Okay, now let's move on to the next section, which is the leaderboard, and you can see all of our NFTs here, and it has it displays the price, the name, the price, and the volume, and we are planning to implement a button that can or a few buttons that can filter out the names based on the price and the volume. Also the name of the collection as well. Now let's move on to the next section, which is to explore. Now you can just a very user-friendly function for users to navigate easier. And the next section of our explore main interface here is the like what might be the common questions of users when they first enter our site. So we provide a few common knowledge there with us to read. Mm, let's head back to our create. We also have a create NFT function, create a new collection. Here we can click in the box, as you can see on the screen, to upload our NFT pictures, images. We can upload our doodle here, and you can also give it a name, and you can select a collection for people to navigate better. So let's choose doodles here, yeah, and enter your start price. There we go. Let's click upload, and now you can see we have a new NFT collection. Okay, so let's move on to Hui section.
All right. Hello, viewer. My name is Hui, and um, that's pretty much it for our current state for the current state of our web. That's pretty much it, and we're still working on it. We have a few we have a few more features that we want to implement, and it's literally right here in front of your face. That includes the search collection. This one hasn't really been configured, um, but it can be easily done so had we more time. Um, just replace this by a query, and what we want is for this to it's just for searching collections. So it's pretty much the same as the this one right here, but instead of you choosing an attribute for for the NFT, it's you searching for a collection. It's you searching for a collection, and there's there's a there's a page that we haven't really worked on yet, and which is called the collection page. And the thing about this page is that um, whenever you search for for any NFT, it will display the name here along with the description, and every single NFT that carry its name, carry the collection name, will be displayed here as well. So that is our plan for the future. Not only so, we also have plans for Connect Wallet. Connect Wallet, we haven't really had the time um, to implement a smart contract, but we're pretty close, and within this week, maybe within this week, we might be able to deploy our first. Uh, we'll be able to deploy our first local MetaMask server, so that you can go try out some of the features that we're planning to put in to the wallet, which is pretty normal. It's just buying and selling stuff. Uh, okay, and we also have the shopping cart right here. The idea for the shopping cart is that um, for pages like collection and explore, whenever you open the shopping cart, right, and we want all of these to be clickable. So every time you double click on on any of these NFTs, it will just move to this card, right? And you will definitely see the total being updated here, and we have a buy button here. We also have a delete button here if you don't want the NFT anymore. And that's it for the shopping cart. Um, that's it for the shopping cart. It's nothing too crazy. It's coming soon. Okay, finally for transaction. Transaction works exactly like what you think it is. So every transaction that you have made, including transaction that you bought, including stuff that you bought and stuff that you sold, it'll all be recorded here, and along with your timestamps for you to determine, for you to better realize or to track uh yeah to track your your deals better for the better. Okay, that's about it. That's about it for our presentation, for our little project demo. And this is Cost Moment. We'll be seeing you later. Okay, we're logging out.